Crowded teeth, snoring, poor sleep? Same problem for kids and adults. Your jaw and palate shape the airway, narrow them, and breathing suffers. Per the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, 40% of men and 24% of women snore habitually. Luckily, Dr. Lee at Thousand Oaks Orthodontics is an airway-friendly orthodontist. Uses 3D imaging on the airway, jaw, and bite, then treats with expanders, braces, or Invisalign. Free consultation, 0% financing, no credit check, no money down. Call 805-585-3184 or visit thousandoaksorthodontics.net.